All right, today is April 9th, 2021. We got our one box Select Football 2020 random teams number 4. Got our dice right here for our random. Before we get started, all XRCs are going to be random off between all names on the list. Wanted to make sure that was out there to begin with. Now I'm going to read over the list of names and we're going to get started. So we got the Cardinals down to the football team on teams. Then we got Alpha L with 1, Tyler Griff with 1, David R with 3, Jared SG with 2, Steve H with 3, Jared SG with another 1, Joey F with 2, Christopher F with 2, Tyler Griff with 3 more, Adam W with 6, Stephen W with 2, Jeremy F with 5, and Steve E with 1 to round off the select break. Same thing in the random. Got Alpha L down to Steve E. And the Cardinals down to the football team. Alright, going to pull that off screen and roll our dice. We do only reroll snake eyes. Good luck, everybody. This is for names and teams. Got a 1 and a 3. 4 times on both randoms. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Starting with the names. 4 times. 1, 2, 3. 4th and final. Got Jeremy F on top and Steve H on the bottom. Jeremy F on top, Steve H on the bottom. On to the teams. Good luck to everybody. Same thing 4 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 4th and final. This is going to be for our random. Here we go. Boom. Chargers right on top and Rams on the bottom. Congrats, Jeremy. Chargers on top, Rams on bottom. Sort by name. Show that those were both 4 times. Trades are going to be open for a minute or 2 after I get done reading off the list, and then we will get started. All right, so we got Adam W with the Jets, Bengals, Bills, Raiders, Vikings, and Chiefs. Not a bad roll there, Adam. Got Alpha L with the Texans, Christopher F with the Ravens and Patriots, David R with the Lions, Titans, and Broncos, Jared SG with the Seahawks, Giants, and Dolphins, Jeremy F with the Chargers, Bears, Saints, Cowboys, and Falcons, Joey F with the Packers and Browns, Steve E with the football team, Bucks, Panthers, and Rams, Stephen W with the 49ers and Jaguars, Tyler Griff with the Colts, Steelers, Eagles, and Cardinals. All right, trade window's open for a minute or 2 if anybody's interested. Drop those down below. Both parties must confirm. I didn't either, Jeremy. I was not happy with that start to Contenders, but like I said, it can only go up from there. Gotta give it another minute. Like I said, both parties must confirm. Drop those trades down below. My timer's at 5, so I'll give it to 6. Ghost Breaks is offering the Ravens and Pats 2 for 1 on anybody that's interested. Adam, well, you got the Bengals again. Still getting evaded by the Chargers. Jeremy hopped in and swooped those off you. Right. There's always next time, Adam. There's always next time. Alright, gonna call it there. Been a minute. Trade window is closed. Everybody is locked in. Here we go. Good luck to everyone. Got our 1-box select break. Let's get started. There's 2 packs on one side and 10 on the other side. Yep. Empty box. Split. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, let's get going. Good luck to everybody. Let's keep that heat rolling in select. Start with pack 1. Starting with Anthony McFarland Jr. Concourse. TJ Watt Concourse. Got a CeeDee Lamb Phenoms going to the Cowboys. Got a Premier level Devin Duvernay Silver going to the Ravens. Followed by a Tommy Stevens Premier level going to the Saints. Marlon Davidson. Daniel Jones. Got a silver snapshot Deshaun Watson. Cool card there for the Texans. Followed by a silver club level Peyton Manning. Nice one for the Colts. And a nice Premier level on the back. Joe Burrow going to the Bengals. There you go, Adam. CJ Ham. Travis Kelce. Got a silver Phenoms Josh Jacobs going to the Raiders. Followed by a silver club level Cole Kmet going to the Bears. And a Darnell Mooney going right back to the Bears Premier level. He's in his pro uni. That's cool for the Bears fans. Oh, Jeremy's got the Bears too. Hometown. There you go, Jeremy. Yatir Gross-Matos going to the Panthers. J.K. Dobbins selections. Cam Newton going to the Panthers. Followed by a silver concourse Chase Young going to the football team. Nice one there. Followed by a Henry Ruggs Premier level for the Raiders. All right, let's heat up. Let's hit some of those nice parallels. Yeah. All right, Bradley Chubb. Austin Jackson. Here is one of our hits. Ronald Jones, 12 out of 99. This is just going to be the patch going to the Bucks. Alex Smith, Premier Level Silver. And a Michael Pittman Jr. going to the Colts. Second half's probably straight hits. Christian McCaffrey. A.J. Dillon going to the Packers. Got a blue power LaMichael Perine concourse going to the Jets. 99 of 175. Followed by a silver premier level Michael Pittman Jr. and a field level Javon Kinlaw to the 49ers. Pat's jersey, yeah. We did hit Adam opened up a personal of Select, and he hit a field level numbered that was Brady in his Pats jersey. So there's nice hits. Jeremy had the Pats one time too and hit a numbered Cam Newton, so it is possible. Damon Arnett. Jalen Hurts, nice one for the Eagles. Concourse. Followed by, we do have an XRC. This is going to get randomed off at the end. I'll put that here for now. We will Josh Uche field level silver to the Pats and a Cole Kmet base. All right. Let's see what our XRC is going to be. So we got our Redemption XRC 2021 Select Card. Football Prism Redemption. Here we go. 405 QB number 5. Not a bad one. This upcoming QB class is loaded, so that's going to be a fun random. We'll do that at the end. Top spot's going to win at the XRC Redemption. Next card, or next pack. That is scary, Adam. All right, got Khalil Mack, DeAndre Swift. Nice one for the Cardinals. Purple Concourse, Kyler Murray, 74 of 75. Going to the Cards. Cam Newton, Concourse Silver, and a Brett Favre Premier Level to the Packers. Yeah, it's going to be somebody solid. That's going to be a nice random. 4 packs left. Got a Larry Fitz, LaMichael Perine. Got a field level Deshaun Watson blue power. This is going to be a short print. 20 out of 49 going to the Texans. Nice hit for the Texans. And then our RPA going to the Dolphins. 143 out of 199. Lynn Bowden Jr. And a Devin Duvernay. Hopefully we got a nice auto in here. XRC is nice. Like I said, lots of talent coming in QB-wise. So even hitting 5 isn't bad. Jonathan Taylor going to the Colts. Matthew Stafford for the Lions. Got a tricolor Charger, Joshua Kelly. 33 of 199, followed by a silver Joshua Kelly. Right back to the Chargers and a Kyler Murray. double troll, Jeremy. All right, 2 packs left. That sucks. All right, Brandon Ayuk. Got a Kirk Cousins. Oh, we got a snake skin. Xavier McKinney field level snake skin. 2 of 2. Boom. Nice hit, Giants. Super short print. 2 of 2 snake skin. Followed by our auto, Harrison Smith going to the Vikings. 33 of 75. And then a Josh Jacobs field level. Not the biggest rookie, but it is cool to hit those super short prints. Yeah, the XRC is going to be a nice random for somebody. All right, last pack, and then we'll set up our random for our XRC. Jake Fromm, KJ Hamler, got a rookie selections going to the Chiefs, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, silver, Josh Allen Concourse going to the Bills, and then an Alex Smith Premier to round off the box. Not the greatest box, not the worst. Did have the XRC and then a couple short prints. No major hits. All right, here we go. We're going to run for our XRC. Got our redemption right here. It is for a QB5. Good luck to everybody that hopped in. Alright, so I just took that straight from the list. Got Adam W. down to Tyler Griff on the bottom. Yeah, QB5, not bad with the class coming in. There's a lot of big hype around the quarterback class, so better to hit a QB5 than like an RB5. Alright, so we got our random right here. Gonna re-roll our dice and random that off. Top spot will win. We only re-roll Snake Eyes. Here we go. It was Snake Eyes, so we're going to re-roll that. All right, got a 2 and a 6. 8 times. 8 times running that random. Oh, yeah, Ryan, you missed a big one. Left right before it. All right, 8 times. Good luck. Top spot is going to win. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th, and final top spot's going to win the XRC. Good luck, everybody. Got Stephen W. taking out the win. He is going to be getting our XRC card. Nice hit for Steven. All right, that is going to close out select number 4. Select 5 is already up on our website. Nothing too crazy. Did have some nice short prints. But appreciate everybody filling that up, and we are going to get going on personals again.